In this video, how to fix Airbnb identity verification failed. I will show you step by step how to fix Airbnb identity verification failed. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the official Airbnb website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to your profile by clicking your profile picture. Now find the option called Account. Inside the Account section, locate Identity Verification Settings. If verification failed, make sure your information is correct. Ensure your name matches your official ID document. Check that your ID document is valid and not expired. Try uploading the document photo again. Take the photo in a well-lit environment. Avoid glare or cropped parts of the document. Make sure all information is clearly visible. Airbnb may also request a selfie to confirm identity. Take the selfie with good lighting and no face covering items. If the issue continues, try using another valid document. You can also try verifying your identity on another device. If verification still fails, contact Airbnb support. Go to the Help or Help Center section. Click Contact Support to speak with support. Explain that identity verification is not working. Support can guide you on the next steps. They may request additional documents to confirm your identity. After following support instructions, try verifying again. This is how you can fix Airbnb identity verification failed.